Hello, and today I'm at Manchester Piccadilly, located on various lines, most notably on the West Coast main line. Departing out now is 175108 on a service bound for Milford Haven. Arriving in here, we have a terminating northern service from Sheffield, 15136. This one has come via the Hope Valley line. So, here at Manchester Piccadilly, you'll be seeing yourselves operated by Transpennine Express, Transport for Wales, Northern, Avanti West Coast. If there's anything else left out that I haven't mentioned, please let me know. Oh, East Midlands Railway. So, let's get started here at Manchester Piccadilly, shall we? Let's get right into it. I've wanted to film here for a really long time. Oh wow, this was very early coming, and now we're, oh god, we have 158777 going from Norwich to Local Lime Street. Along with 158857 at the rear, this one is ridiculously early. So we've been to both ends of the Norwich Liverpool Lime Street services now. Been to the Norwich end and we've been to the Manchester end. In fact, we've been to Liverpool as well. As that one stops all the way right down the platform there. That one has come in about 5 minutes early. I wasn't expecting to see that one as well. Oh, also departing out now, we have the 1233 Northern service to Hatfield via Golossa. This one is going to be operated by 323236. Sounding brilliant as it leaves there. This next up being Ashbury's. Alright, potting out now is 39136. This is on the 1235. Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. This one runs via Stoke-on-Trent. I've also arrived again now with a Northern Class 769. I haven't seen one of these before. They just converted Class 319s. 769431 is on this one, bound for on the edge from Southport. As we can catch 390-136 departing there. We also have a Transpennine Express service bound for Hull, which should be departing behind. Alright, departing now, you might be able to see behind the 769 is going to be the 1235 Transpennine Express service to Hull. It's going to be operated by 185145. Nice free car on that one. Actually, I don't think that's going to be very nice on a free car. As getting ready to depart now is going to be 769431, I think this one was, on the 1238 Northern service from Southport to Audley Edge. Nearly said Stockport there. See the diesel engines from these ones. That's a nice semi-fast train down to Audley Edge there. Bar calls at Levenshulme, Heaton Chapel, oh I said that wrong, Levenshulme, Heaton Chapel, Stockport, Cheadle-Keene, Llanfydd, Wilmslow and Audley Edge will arrive at 1307. Actually it's not a semi-fast, it stops at all the stations on the route, don't know what I was talking about there. So arriving now with a terminating Transpennine Express service from Huddersfield.
Platform 13 for the 1242 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich. Calling at Stockport, Sheffield.
Which is 185124, coming in on platform 1, well the whole train there. Well, as also arriving in is going to be the 1242 East Midlands Railway service going from Liverpool Lime Street to Norwich. This is going to be formed with a new livery 158 at the front again. I saw this one at Edge Hill a few days ago. I think this is 158770 was this one, or 158774.
Any passengers travelling beyond Nottingham, please journey to the upturned carriages.
Personally, I prefer the old livery, but you can't have everything, can you? 158 is very nice anyway.
Please journey to the upturned carriages.
Oh, I was also arriving in now with a terminating northern service from Crewe. 319378 brings this one in. Should get better views once 1587774 departs, which we'll be doing very soon. Still lots of passengers getting on this one. Surprised it's such a busy train. I was also departing out now. It's going to be the 1240 Northern service starting here bound for Rosehill Marple. It's going to be 151.3. Hang on, that's not right. That's 152.25. I'm not too sure. I think that one's off to Chester. Yeah, that one we just saw was off to Chester 151.18 and 152.25. This one we're seeing here is now bound for Rosehill Marple. 151.36 and 151.24. So next up being at Ashbury's. Trains only call at Ardwick during peak times. I think there's only a few trains that do that. Right. 158774 and 158, whatever's at the rear, is departing out now, bound for Nottingham and Norwich, with the front two coaches branching off at Nottingham and terminating. Still not sure why they do that. It's an incredible 158, listen to that. 158.846 brings up the rear. As also arriving in now, we have 195114 bound for Barrow and Furness. This one I think will be from Manchester Airport. Although I don't really know the service pattern. Going very fast into the station there. I assume it's got very good brakes. Yep, Manchester Airport to Barrow and Furness on the 1247 service. As you may be able to see, we have another pair of Civities. They'll be going from Blackpool North to Hazel Grove. We'll get a picture of them when they come in the station. Right, arriving in now is said service, the 1247 Northern service going from Blackpool North to Hazel Grove. 331008 brings this one in. Had a bit of difficulty on that one. As a 323 departs for Stoke-on-Trent as well. 323234 on that one. Sorry. Catch the rear when it departs. See the 323 behind as well. Right, getting ready to depart now is this pair of 331s. Sound brilliant, these things accelerate quickly as well, wow. .331.029 on that one as well, bound for Hazel Grove. Alright, arriving in now with a couple of trains. First of all, the Transport for Wales 175104 bound for Chester from Manchester Airport. As also coming in behind me, or also departing first of all, we have a Northern Class 150, 151.39. And 15142 bound for Sheffield. As also arriving here is a Transpennine Express service going from Redcar Central to Manchester Airport, 185116. As 390155 arrives in on a heavily delayed service from London Euston. Madness going on here, isn't it? I have another setter at the rear of the Manchester Airport service. Get a better look at 390155, again one of the first 390s to be painted.
Do you think someone might need help?
As you can see, the 150s passing in the distance there as well.
Simple questions such as hi,
Right, arriving now with terminating Northern Class 323 from Stoke-on-Trent. Are we going to be able to zoom in time? Whatever that number was, it will be in the captions below. All the 323s are so confusing. The one you saw before was from Hatfield. This one is from Stoke-on-Trent. 323239. That one was at Stoke-on-Trent on Monday as well. That's been doing runs up and down the line probably for quite a while. Probably mixed in with a couple of Hatfield services now and then. Alright, passing out now is this pair of 185s. After the British Transport Police escorted someone off the train. 185117 is at the rear of this one as well. I don't have very good memories of 185117. Let me explain. I was at York about to board a heavily delayed Scarborough service, and this was back in the days when they were all free cars with Transpennine Express. It was rammed, so I had to stand all the way from York to Scarborough, which was not very nice at all, but Transpennine, you really do need to upgrade your capacity, but you have done already on some services. You're doing 6 car to Cleethorpes, doing 6 car to Redcar, and then obviously you've got the completely new stock along all the other lines as well. Coming in now is the 1255 Transport for Wales service going from Chester to Manchester Airport, 175011. Terminating here, we have another Transpennine Express Class 185. Oh, it's going this way. It's a Redcar Central service. 185125. That's my mistake. And 185143 on this one. Very nice one, 185 now. Alright, plotting out now is going to be this service. (175.011) bound for Manchester Airport, as I mentioned, calling at East Didsbury and Manchester Airport only. 2 car 175. As also arriving in now, we have a Northern Class 150.
13 of the 1259 Northern service to Manchester Airport. Calling at Burnage.
This one is terminating in from Buxton. I can guarantee you for this one. 15119 and 15130.
13 of the 1259 Northern service to Manchester Airport.
Looking very lovely there. Oh, just before I get some food, arriving in now is 195119 bound for Manchester Airport from Buxton North.
To Manchester Airport on the Financial Green to Manchester Airport.
trains coming in everywhere. Coming in now, we have Northern Cross 331, 331001. Very satisfying to tick off from the book. Arrives in for Blackpool North. The 195 which has arrived in is from Borough and Furness. I just got the services confused a bit. 33107 brings up the rear of this service. Going for Blackpool North. I promise these will be the last trains before I get food. I will be back. I'll be back. Just gonna grab if there's a Greg's or somewhere like that, that'll be brilliant. Alright, off it goes. Yes, tomorrow the Transpennine network closes for 2 weeks, probably to electrify the bit between Manchester and what's the other bit on Huddersfield, Leeds. That bit, that's all going to be electrified. Hopefully within there's a signalling map there. Hopefully within the next couple of weeks or so. Trains everywhere. 185, 146. This one must either be from. I can't work out where this one is from. This one is from Cleethorpes. So yes, short intermission. Right after my swift voyage to Burger King, 195112 is here. This will be forming a service to Manchester Airport. 1 Hotel 47, according to the little board above me. But anyway, this one's next stop will be at Maldive Road, followed by East Didsbury and I'm actually not sure on the calling points. Maldive Road, East Didsbury and Manchester Airport. Wow. The 195s are from Liverpool Lime Street, as it seems. Right, arriving in now, we have 769448 on a service going from Old Edge to Southport.
14 of the 1318 Northern service to Southport.
769448.
Platform 13 is the 1317 Northern service to Manchester Airport.
Also getting ready to depart now.
Manchester Airport.
It's going to be 39155 going back on the 1315 Avanti West Coast service to London and Euston, running by Crewe. 331030 is also arriving inbound for Manchester Airport. This one I assume is from Blackpool North. Off goes these 331s, 331030. Probably another unit at the rear as well. Oh, that kicked then. 331031 at the rear, again in numerical order. As off that one goes, its destination went off for a minute. Yes, seamless transition. 185146 is here bound for Cleethorpes. So next stop being at Stockport. Funny story.
22 Northern service.
Wednesday, I was going from Sheffield to Stockport. I missed my stop and ended up here.
Queensgate, Eccles, Havercroft,
It's also arriving in now. We have the 1322 Northern service going from Crewe to Liverpool Lime Street, 323223. Try saying that. Very lovely there. Love a good 323. Plotting out now is 195116. Proud to be Northern as the nameplate. This one is bound for New Mill Central. On the 1319 service. Spoiler alert, we've got a 397 arriving in now in a few minutes. Right, arriving in now is the 1323 Northern terminating service from Hatfield. It's 323238. Right, lovely as it arrives in on that side of the station. It's 331017 and 331006 arriving. I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, click the subscribe button and like. Thank you. That was a very quick outro there. As my train is now arriving in bound for Manchester Airport. These look very nice.